Hi everyone, I'm Tony with Clarkson Santoro, and I have another house I'd like to show you. Come with me and I'll take you on a tour. Today I'm at 2789 Ascot Drive, which is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in the Inverness Park neighborhood of San Ramon, California. It's an expanded 2,900 square foot floor plan on a 10,000 square foot lot. And before I give you a full tour of the house, I know your time is precious, so let me give you 4 quick reasons up front why I think you'll love this home. The first thing you're going to love about this house is the master suite. It's been fully remodeled to include a huge walk-in closet, window seats, and a master bathroom that feels like it belongs in a spa resort. The second reason why I think you'll love this home are the additional renovations that have been done. This downstairs bedroom has been expanded to include a sitting area, which makes it perfect to use as a home office or a guest bedroom. There's a fully remodeled full bathroom right across the hall. Additionally, the laundry room has been moved upstairs and expanded to give you plenty of space for washing and drying your clothes, as well as hang drying and folding all your laundry. The third reason why I think you'll love this home is its location. Inverness Park is one of the best neighborhoods in West San Ramon. It has a large city park greenbelt that runs through it and connects directly on one side to Athan Park and on the other to Montevideo Elementary School. It's also bordered by the Iron Horse Trail and is a less than 1.5 mile walk to the brand new city center. The fourth reason why I think you'll love this house is the lot. It's just under 1/4 acre, which means it's plenty big to host any type of party you can imagine. The large lawn gives you plenty of room for any type of lawn game you might want, or it's got plenty of room to add a pool. Now that I've given you 4 really good reasons why I think you'll love this home, you can follow the link in the description below. It'll take you to our website that has more photos and information about the house. Or you can contact us and we can set up a private tour where you can see the house in person. If you'd like to stick around, I'm going to give you a tour of the rest of the house now. for joining me on this tour of 2789 Ascot Drive in San Ramon. If you'd like any more information about the property, visit the link in the description below. It'll take you to our website where we have more photos and ways to contact us to set up a private tour. If you would like to be the first to know about any new homes we have coming on the market, hit the subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell, and YouTube will tell you anytime we have a new listing video. Thank you again for joining me. My name's Tony, and I'll see you next time.